The FBI has quietly warned California law enforcement about a potential Iran-linked drone attack possibly launched from a vessel off the U.S. coast. And yes, this is tied to the escalating conflict involving Iran, the United States, and Israel. According to reports on March 11, 2026, federal authorities circulated an alert at the end of February, saying they had recently acquired information that, as of early February 2026, Iran allegedly aspired to conduct a surprise attack using unmanned aerial vehicles. The targets? Unspecified locations in California. The method? Drones launched from an unidentified vessel offshore. But here's the key detail. Officials stressed there's no confirmed or imminent threat. President Donald Trump was asked if he was worried about Iran-backed retaliation on U.S. soil. His answer was simple. No, I'm not. That signals confidence publicly, but behind the scenes, the security posture is clearly shifting. California officials say they're coordinating across federal, state, and local agencies through a state operations center created at the start of the war. Law enforcement agencies have confirmed they received the warning, but say no specific threats have been identified in their areas. Strategically, this is about deterrence and preparedness. The FBI isn't saying an attack is coming. They're signaling that retaliation scenarios are being taken seriously. If drones can be launched from offshore vessels, that changes the homeland security equation. The real question isn't whether this attack is imminent, it's whether America is preparing for a new kind of battlefield that doesn't stop at oceans.